Hey, what's up everyone, welcome to my channel. Today video is about DIY. If you've seen in the title, you will come to know what this video is about. And today I was going through my closet and I found shoes. I have a couple of shoes, maybe more. So these shoes actually were not used much or not used at all, but they were dying, so I need to dye them. You didn't get what I said. I said my shoes are dying. That means they were actually expiring and fading. They were losing their colors, just staying at one place. And I need to color dye them. I need to color them. So I went through some online websites and I found that there are some colors for the fabric shoes that I can apply the dye and they will be almost like permanent. So you can see the video and know yourself. Go on. This is what I got it online. It is called Kava black dye and I'm going to be using this on my shoe and let you know the reviews of this thing. So I'll basically try to turn this color of the shoe, this section of the shoe, into something like this, black. So let's go ahead. All you need first is the ink, the earbuds. So let's use this and show it to you. So guys, this portion is done and you see the difference, black, not black, black, not black. You can see it's completely black now and that's about it. Maybe so it's done now. I'm wearing a mask because it is stinking, and now we're done with the black coloring. Let me dry it and then let you know tomorrow how it looks. Now this shoe is not faded, but then it has become bluish black, so I need to convert this into black and show it to you. Now the coloring is done. You decide which one looks better. Not colored in this color just now. Now this is the difference between this and this shoe. Okay, shows. The only drawback about this paint, this dye, is that it works, but then it really stinks and it gets messy. You see this in my hand? How messy. Try to use gloves as much as possible. So dyeing for the shoes are done and this is how they look. Just because of sun it looks like this. If it works, and I'm gonna put for other shoes as well, and just 4 shoes now, 4 pairs of shoes I've done, and let's see. It's just an experiment. I'll wear for a few days and then let you know the reviews. It's not like the color will come even with a normal watercolor, but then I want to see how long it will sustain, and see you in the next video.